Do you get as excited as I do when Signify releases cool new luminaires? Well, if you don't, leave me some nasty comments at the end of this video. My name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting, and today we're introducing 90 CRI high quality cylinder downlights by Calculite. Signify has given lighting designers and architects more choices than ever before. Calculite uses a 2 standard deviation color matching to give great color consistency. This ensures even the most complex applications are seamless. You can mount either on a ceiling, wall, or use it as a pendant for a total of 7 different mounting options. You can choose either a 2 or 3 inch round cylinder, and you can also get a 3 inch square cylinder. There are 3 standard colors available, and you can order any RAL color. There are 8 reflector options, and new to Calculite is textured black and textured white. Now let's talk about cutoff angles. Cutoff angles are not always what they seem to be, which can affect your overall design and comfort. Lighting measures true downlight cutoff angles at the downlight's widest bright point. This ensures maximum luminaire efficacy and comfort for the people in that space, whereas some manufacturers measure to the light's source, which reduces performance levels and creates uncomfortable glare. Calculite soft beam transitions provide consistent visual comfort, excellent optical control, and mechanical precision. Calculite delivers true 50-degree physical and 45-degree reflective cutoffs for reduced aperture brightness and unobstructed ceiling performance. There are a number of indirect and direct lumen packages available, and it can be adjusted as a special order. You have 4 color temperatures ranging from 2700 to 4000 K, or you can order dim to warm, which is 3000 to 1800 K. This is a short video on the new Calculite downlights. If you have any questions or if you need help with a project, please call us here at LSW Lighting. We would love to help. Thank you for your time. And I hope you don't leave me any nasty comments.